Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to set Spotify song as ringtone for free. On your device, the only thing you need on Spotify is the music file, which you can only access the music file if you're a premium user. You'll be able to download for offline listening. Since we only need the music file to set song as ringtone on Spotify, what you want to do is go to your app store on your device. Once opened, you want to search for the internal audio recorder. You're going to see a list of different options. You can select from any one you want. In this video, we're going to be using the internal audio recorder. Download and open the application. Once open, allow permissions to access storage. You want to click on the plus icon in this section, and here you're going to see record audio. Tap on record audio and then allow the app to record audio. This should start a countdown. Once it starts recording, go back to Spotify and open Spotify. You can go to the song you want to set as your ringtone and then play the song. Once the section you want to use for your ringtone is properly captured, you can stop your recording. Tap on this and then tap on stop. This will automatically be saved to your device as audio. Now open the internal audio recorder and tap on the audio section. Here you see all your audio files. Now tap on the three dots beside the audio and tap on rename. You can give it any name you want for recognition. Tap on OK to save. Now the next step, you need an audio trimmer. You can watch the next video on how to trim audios on mobile. If you had recorded your audio perfectly and need no trimming. Now go back to your home screen and go to settings to set song as ringtone. In the search section, you can simply just search for ringtone and you see phone ringtone. And when you click on this will take you to sound settings and show you ringtone. You can also scroll down till you find sound, click on sound, and here you see phone ringtone. Tap on this and then scroll all the way to the bottom, you will see add ringtone. Tap on add ringtone and you should see the audio you've just recently saved. If you do not find the audio, you can tap to switch between your root directories. Now tap on the audio and the audio will be added to your ringtone. Now scroll till you find your ringtone. Tap on your ringtone and you should hear a preview of your ringtone. Tap on OK and your ringtone will be saved as that ringtone. So thank you for watching this video on how to set Spotify song as ringtone for free. And I hope you found this video helpful. If you do find this video helpful, do make sure to like, subscribe, and have the post notification turned on.